No more excuses. If you're serious about changing your life, you will find a way. If you're not serious, you will find an excuse. As a caregiver, it's easy to let your responsibilities become reasons not to take action. But imagine the power of creating an income stream that works for you while you care for your loved ones. I've been there, juggling caregiving for my mom while trying to build something meaningful. It took real determination to push past the excuses. But I've learned there are real, achievable ways to make money online. The Legacy Builder Blueprint isn't just a plan, it's a path to independence. If you are ready to build a better future for yourself and those you care for, it's time to stop making excuses and start making moves. For more information or to get started, contact me via my email, DM, leave a comment or visit my website so we can get you started today.